This is Tuesday, July 29th, 2014. I think this is the 26th day of the Earthship Alberta build. So we're on the roof. Well, the roof is finished pretty much. The skylights are done. The weights are resting on some tracks. They started to make some screens to prevent the bugs from getting inside, and the weight are there so that there is a balance. When you release the cords, it will open the skylight, and then you can pull the cords without too much effort. We have another skylight here, no screen yet. The finishes are almost done here. I suspect there will be a cap on top of these black water and grey water ventilation pipes. We still have our electric system with a power organizer, the charge controllers, I forgot the name of this thing, the inverter. So there's, yeah, this one does AC DC, I forgot exactly what it does. We have the batteries here. I believe there are 6 volt batteries, 4 of them in series to make 24 volts, and then they're in parallel. Okay, more ventilation here. Last skylight there. The receptacles for the cisterns. You can see here the glycol pipes, with the glycol being here to warm the snow when there is snow and make it melt and collect more water this way. Okay, so the Earthship is going well. We're only doing finishes now. This might be my last video. We only have 3 days to go. Okay, so here at the west entrance, they are installing flagstones, which will look nice, not very easy to install. They have some remesh, on top of which they're setting the flagstone and pouring concrete, and then the grout in between the stones will be cement, like fine cement. I'm not sure exactly where it will go, something, I don't know, somewhere like this, I guess. So you can see the front face, pretty much done. We have all the solar panels. In the middle we have these 2 big solar water heaters, in the middle of which you have a small solar panel that is only here to power a pump that will run the glycol and heat the water inside the house and melt the snow on the roof. So here is so it's all like finished cement, and it was dyed on top of it. They also had some paint on all the wood in between windows. This door frame has been painted too. They still don't have the glass. Wine cellar here. So the floor has been poured. All the floors have been poured now, except for the flagstones at the entrances. They have some wood to be able to build some shelves. The greenhouse is almost finished. So behind this box is the grey water pump to collect the grey water and send it to flush the toilets. We have light switches, which this one is not working yet. We have room for light switches. So this is the living room. So the walls had coats of cement, and then we had 2 layers of mud for the finish, and this is the finished coat. we've had some cabinetry in the kitchen. So on all the frames that we had for the mechanical walls, the ones that run the pipes, we just have it's covered with plywood, and then there should be, I'm not sure what this material is. Some places there were some kind of sheetrock or some kind of concrete. Yeah, I think this is made of concrete, probably because it's waterproof. So we have a lot of future outlets. The pantry is starting to be built. This will not be mud, but it will be finished cement. We have the utility room. We still are warm, water organizing module. Apparently they added this pipe that will let you know how full your cisterns are, which is really cool. So the same place for washer and dryer like last time. They have their cabinetry. The wall seems pretty much done. Maybe one more layer, I'm not sure. And this is a master bedroom with a master bathroom with a nicely sculpted, I guess it was a can wall, and then they made shapes. It's gonna be a shower. No bathtub here apparently. Cabinet for the sink, so it should be like hot, cold and drinking water. And then we have the drain and the cleaning, the pipe for cleaning. Is it working? Yes, this is working. And the light is working. So master bedroom, mud walls, I think they've been finished today. This is a walk-in closet with shelves already, and the walls are still being worked on. But the walls should be totally done by, if not tomorrow, then Thursday, I guess. This will be a spot for a TV. So we have some doors now that have been installed today. Here is mostly finished. We have electric outlets. So we have all these stones, all these rocks to border the greenhouse. This is not really greenhouse. I mean, that's where the pipes go for the black water to go out, and also the overflow. We have the guest bathroom, which has a tub, the toilet. I don't know if the toilet is working. They started to do some tile. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna look when it's finished. Second guest bedroom, mostly finished. We have the doors, just missing some glass, but for some reason the glass has not been delivered. They have electric outlets, a light. Actually, I was working here today, and I still have to do some finishes. Yeah, outlets there too, another light. Oh no, that's a smoke detector. So if we, yes, it's working. And the first guest bedroom, same thing, mud walls. Most of the outlets are here, not all of them. You can see the very organic shape of the wall. It's not very easy to plaster on that. It's even harder to plaster up there because it's really lots of curves and not much space. Here all the floor, all the slabs here have been poured over the last week perhaps, with forms about it's roughly 3 by 3 feet. And at the end we have one long slab, another slab in the airlock, and then this needs one more coat of finished cement. You have the light in here. We have some electric outlets outside here, and eventually we'll also have flagstones here. Yeah, the flagstones are already here. And here this wall was tires with cement over them, and then it was dyed. So it was tires here, and then here it was cans. So that's it. I might make another video, but I'm not sure because we're only 3 days from leaving. So I don't know if I'll have much time.